I used to see you fuck in the shade of the trees, from the lights and the leaves to the bites on your knees. Kill the universe, might get a sight of the breeze. You're not psychic, you're free.
Hey guys, it's your boy Nate, aka Keyless Nate. We're doing this video for the second time actually, because it didn't record the entire video because stupid OBS not freaking working right. And so yeah, today we're doing a Pembroke Pines car review. I was right. 26. Just let me make sure I was right. This is the 2013 Ford Explorer police vehicle, police version. Here it is. This thing can fit 4 people, I believe, and it looks really nice. I really like it. So let's get in it. Now another thing you guys need to know: turning signal problem. You guys know last time you did turning signal, and it was really loud, like boom, boom. They fixed that. So look, you don't hear a big loud sound anymore. They fixed it. It's very good to know. They fixed that. Just come on, they fixed that. Okay. So we're gonna back up here. We're gonna go driving around and be on patrol. This vehicle is slower than the Chevy, which I did a review, which I did a video on. I'm thinking about redoing that video. We'll see. Don't beep at me. Shut up. Freaking beeping at me. Who you think you is, huh? Okay, yo. You guys are idiots. You don't know how to drive. Gotcha. You guys should really fix that. Moron. What's going on here? Whoa, what's going on here? What's going on? Oh, come on. Oh my gosh, how hard. Freaking. Back up. I'm sorry, I'm not saying it. People in this game drive like idiots. They have no driving skills at all. I hope this video turns out very well. I hate being followed like this. Really, bro? Really, bro? Really, bro? You're gonna cross a red light in front of me? Is that how you roll? Better pull the flush over. Pull over right now, boy. Dude, just pull the flush over. Like, this is not hard. No. Crap. This thing is not that fast. The Chevy's faster. Where do you go? I don't know where he went. I lost him. Oh well, we lost him, guys. We lost him. Also, so again, but this vehicle is sold in a Chevy. It's still a great vehicle. I love it. Now you can get the civilian version. This is the police version. I like it. It's still quick. It drives very well. It's very smooth. I just really like this vehicle, you know. Now, there's also another catch, by the way, that I didn't tell you guys. If you guys want this car, and if you have the money, you need to have the police game pass. I do, so I can have one of these. If you do not have the police game pass, even if you have the money, you cannot get this. So make sure it's another thing. You guys must have the police game pass in order to get this vehicle. We're in a police Tahoe, I think it was. So you need that too. So make sure you have that. Alright, make sure you got the game pass, and then you can get it. You know? I just want to make sure it's something, because whatever, I'm just going. Because before, I don't know, we had technical difficulties before. Are you serious, bro? See, I would chase you down, but I don't feel like it. Oh, it's this freaking dude again with these chasing me down? Go away, bro. I don't need this. This dude better stop following me. Jeez. Like, this is not... That's what you get for driving like an idiot. Okay, I'm going over here. I'm gonna see why this dude is following me. Why are you following? Stop. Freaking noobs. I'm just trying to get away from this. This guy keeps following me and I'm sick. Oh my gosh. Like, dude, stop following me. Like, it's annoying. Damn it. Jeez, like these people won't stop following me. Like, stop. Like, come on. This is not follow the leader. Don't follow me. Screw it. I'm going to Walgreens. He won't find me there. That's why if he's following me. Don't follow me, bro. Don't follow me. Oh my gosh. Don't follow me. Stop following me. Because follow. Because I don't want to be followed. So stop. Well, stop. Well, stop. But end the video there. I'm just gonna tune on people in this freaking server, idiots and freaking noobs. Ugh. Okay, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys subscribe, hit the notification bell right next to it. Also, make sure you guys drop a like. Really appreciate it. Comment on my videos too. Comment. Also, if you guys have any other suggestions of vehicles you want to see in the future in the game, me review and stuff, definitely look. Put those in the comment section. I highly, if you have the Game Pass, get this police vehicle. It's amazing. I love it. It's up to you. I'll see you guys in the next one.